When you don't have money, people ask, who are you? But when you have money, it's, how are you? Long time no see. You look amazing, handsome, beautiful. Suddenly everyone notices. That's the power of money. When you're broke, you're almost invisible. People look straight through you, like you don't even exist. No respect, no attention. Just another face in the crowd, trying to make it. But flip the script. When the cash starts coming in, suddenly everyone wants a piece of you. Your phone won't stop ringing. Old friends, distant cousins, people from high school you barely remember, all trying to reconnect. Money isn't just currency. It's a social passport, a VIP ticket to respect, opportunities, and a whole new world of possibilities. When you're grinding, building, you're not just collecting dollars, you're collecting power, the power to choose, the power to design your life,